Hello guys, and welcome here to another interesting episode. It's your girl Nemo. I hope you're all doing fine. I hope you're all doing good. So guys, I've been good as well, and in today's vlog we shall be making injera. So I hope you stick around, like this video, comment down below, and I hope you learn something from it. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into the video, and let me turn the camera so that I can show you everything that I'm going to use and my ingredients. So guys, first I have my meat and my mixture heated. Nimeachika hapa kitu kama mbili ama tatu. So I first want to boil my meat so that nikarange, alafu I'll make those sheets, the injera sheets. Stay tuned guys. I'm going to try and chop them as small as possible because I haven't found minced meat. Vya kisege imeharibika. So guys, I'm done with my meat. Nitakuwa naweka kwa sufuria. So let's empty it. So guys, meanwhile I'm going to be mixing this. I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to mix it together all because it has already fermented. So I'm just going to mix this well, and then I'm going to make my paste. Send your guys. Whatever. So guys, I already feel like my pan is well heated, so I'm just going to go ahead So guys, I'm going to let it cook for a few minutes, then I'm going to come and show you the end result.